G'day guys, welcome to the channel The X-Wing. My name is James and welcome to another Suburban Stations and Trains episode. And today we're at Camberwell station. We're going to have a look at the station, have a look at the surrounding areas and whatever the car park is. So no further ado guys, let's roll the intro. G'day guys and welcome back from the intro, and yeah, we're going to have a look at Camberwell station. First time ever that I have filmed here to a certain degree. I think I did some filming here with the steam train specials. I can't remember, I think I did actually. So we're going to have a look at it. We're coming down the on-ramp down to the station, and yeah, let's have a look at this old station. You got platform 3 down there, and it looks like that is active, that line today. We'll just have a look here. Great view here. Lovely view. And this is for free at the moment because of the metro tunnel. So when this comes out, probably won't be out until late February, maybe early March, the way we're going. So here we go. We're on platforms 1 and 2. Train coming in on platform 3. Right. I'm going to looks like we might explore this platform because there's not many people on here. Just do not board train 12 minutes. Okay, so platform 2 really not in use to a certain degree, but platforms 1 and 3, and that's platform 3 there where the train arrived. Lovely warm day here today in Melbourne. And off goes that train. A lot of people on that train, yeah, too. A lot of people. All right, just to let you guys know, Camberwell station houses the Belgrave Lilydale and also the Alamein train lines. Now we did the Alamein train line almost a year ago. So as I said in I think in the previous episode, we'll be doing a review for each, the top stations I reckon for each line. So a bit more detail about that at a later date. Camberwell station is a real old station, old class station, and it's really good. This is platform 1 here. This is the main Flinders Street service. Now when I was a kid, the Alamein train used to stop here and go back up again, but I'm not too sure if it does that now. There's the yards there, the sleeper yards at Camberwell station. They've been around for a very long time, these sleeper yards, and I must admit that breeze is quite nice. So yeah, and there's buildings. Now, there's the car park there. Now, the car park, unfortunately, it's left to be a little bit desired. I've actually parked away from there, parked up the other end. So, but yeah, it's not a real ideal car park, put it that way. not ideal at all. I think we've got a train coming in shortly. I think Flint Street train, I think, is coming in. About 2 minutes or so, or a minute away. So yeah, it's just coming around the corner now. So we'll film this and then we'll keep on continuing our ventures. Goes that train to Flynn Street, and on the bridge there you might have just seen a tram go past. So yes, there's trams hanging around Camberwell. We'll probably do one of those filming one day for shading area. This is a wonderful station for shading. There's no doubts about that. Definitely full points for that. To the other side, and another walkthrough, some bins, a seat, another walkthrough here, lovely archway, look at that, fantastic. Toilets which are locked. I don't really sort of get that. Oh, hang on. Oh, platform 2. Oh, yeah. So the toilets are open on the other side, but just not this side. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right. Okay. And then I think this used to be like a signal box here at one stage. I think they've turned it into something else now. But that's the end of platform 1. So we'll just go over the platform 2, which is quite easy to do. And that way is towards Alamein and East Camberwell, which we've done East Camberwell on suburban stations and trains. Have a look at that. But yeah, I think that used to be an old signal box or something like that anyway. So yeah, and there's platform 3. The overhead pass we walked through just before. Toilets here, male and female on platform 2. It's good to see actually the toilets open, to be honest. Oh, it's a lovely old station, isn't it? And then you've got some snacks here, vending machines, as whatever you want to call them. Got all sorts of things in there. Kit Kats. No Mars bars. I thought, oh yeah, they do. There they are. There's a Mars bar there. Coca-Cola machine. You got your pretty dear for all of Coke. Oh no, $4.60 is not bad. It's pretty good. So you don't see too many of these on the station actually. What I've seen so far. And there's the walkthrough. We just were on the other side before. Some bins, probably recyclable bins, and there's a sign there saying Camberwell station change for Alamein line. So the Alamein line must stop here. Must come down here and stop and go off onto the other track then, because once upon a time it used to be on the other platform. So, but yeah, and that's just an information. You know, we're here at the station. Burke Road is where the trams run. We've parked over here somewhere, so we need to get back out and go there. And that's where it says parking, where it just shows you before. Not very ideal parking. Okay, we've got another train coming on platform 3, which is the Belgrave train. And off goes the Belgrave train. There's another train which is coming from Alamein. It's just got to wait until the Belgrave train gets past that, and I should imagine that train will be coming through here very shortly. Customer service lady just walking past. Very interesting, that. I'm just wondering if they've seen me on CCTV and then thinking, oh, what's this guy up to? So we've just got to wait for this train coming down. I like this little situation. This is keeps everyone dry and stuff like that. This is quite good, actually. I don't mind that.
Good afternoon, customers. Your next service to platform 1 will be to 241 Flinders Street, from the all stations to Flinders Street, except East Richmond. Your next
Here comes that train. I should imagine that's coming from Alamein. It looked like it did when I was watching it. Yep. You can see in the background the Flinders Street train be coming in on platform 1. And people will disembark here on this platform, not taking passengers to this one here. That one will go into the service siding, which is around the corner, and then I think it might go back on the other side. Not 100% certain, but yeah. And that Flinders Street train is arriving on platform 1 right now. There it is there. I think this guy's going to go, take off, I think. Yep, it's closing the doors, and they're just going to go up that siding up the right, just around the corner. And off goes the also Flinders Street train. Probably get to see that. We might just zoom this up, guys, a bit. So that one, the train that was just on here, that's going to go in the siding, which is just going in the siding now, and that other train's going to Flinders Street. Right, we're going to go back up to the top here, where we started our journey, and just have a quick look around there. It's a lovely old station. Again, this would probably be in my top 5 stations between here and Ringwood. Yeah, there's the trains there. telephone box. Service centre there. We'll just quickly go out there. As I said, this is for free at the moment. By the time this comes out, it won't be for free. You would have to pay to get through those gates. And this is one of the reasons why I'm doing that now, because if you're doing filming, I don't think you necessarily have to pay just to get on the platform. But anyway, that's another opinion for another day. But there's the sleeping yards there. Shunting yards, whatever you call it. I call it sleeping yards, but the shunting yard. And yeah, very nice indeed. Timetables, which is going to be a little bit relevant now because they're going to change all the timetables. And there's the metro tunnel through there, and we've done that. You might not have seen this yet, but it's in the works. We're going to be doing, hopefully, all the underground stuff, including Flagstaff, Parliament and Melbourne Central stations, and possibly Southern Cross and Flynn Street Station, maybe. So we're going to get there in the next few weeks and get that done, and then we'll go back to hopefully, which will be the Glen Waverley and Sandringham lines for 2026. Do filming there because there's actually a lot to be filmed there. But yeah, it's actually quite good, isn't it? Very nice station. I love the old station. It's I don't like some modern stations are quite good, but yeah, some of them are left to be a bit desired. And then at Burke Road for taxis and trams, 160 metres that way. And we're going up this way because that's where the Bluebird is. And you don't get many stations that have, you know, like leaves and things like that. I like this part. It is very nice. But I'll turn the camera around, and yeah, and there you go. That's Camberwell Station for you. I do like it. The only probably disappointing thing about it is the car park. I mean, I just quickly, I parked over there. There's the Bluebird there, but the majority of the parking's like ticket parking here. Which makes it a really difficult situation to be in. But overall, it's a lovely station, old station. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. And as I always say, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to X-Wing. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future video content. And always press like because it does really help the channel. And don't forget to comment and share. Until next time, guys, cheers.